First of all, thank you all for coming over here, and very honored to have you here. And I'm extremely grateful and honored to have a couple of top global shoulder specialist surgeons here. Dr. Stefan Greiner from Germany and Dr. Stefano Gumina from Italy, from Rome. So what we are doing here today, we have a meeting called CULTCON meeting. So it stands for Chennai Upper Limb Unit Teaching Convention. Expert talks, panel discussion and live demonstrations with our international faculty and over 25 national faculty, my colleagues from all over India. And the aim of this conference, as you have seen here down, is attended by 400 orthopedic surgeons all over from India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. The focus is on complex upper limb trauma. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand. So, and they mostly treated by general orthopedic surgeon as well, and they have lacunae of knowledge to understand the problem. So our aim is to give this subspecialized training to general orthopedic surgeons and trainees. That is the purpose of this CULTCON. In this conference, we are also launching revolutionary technology for shoulder replacement. You all would have heard about hip replacement, knee replacement. Everybody knows. But comes to it moves in three direction in 360 degree range. So, and it is useful for your day-to-day life, leisure, sports, etc. When it is affected by trauma, injuries or arthritis, the patient experiences pain and stiffness and unable to even eat or live or day-to-day use. So, in early stages, we try to repair the torn muscles, torn ligament or broken fragments of bone. But in advanced cases, when everything else fails, we have to resort to shoulder replacement. Conventionally, we do shoulder replacement in a sort of eyeball manner, but nowadays the technology is helping us to do that very, very accurate. The two technologies we are talking about, number one is the VIP shoulder, which is basically, we had a set of prostheses to do the shoulder replacement, but now we have a lot of choices to suit each patient's unique anatomy. Arthritis, and these days, rather than just X-rays and CT, we get a 3D print of the scapular bones. Patient's own scapula. You see the shape, size, arthritic, bone loss here. So how to address this? So the technology helps us. Now, we can superimposed while I am operating, and if I want to move it, you can move it like that, but I can put it like this. Now I can see the preoperative plan. We plan that I want to do a shoulder replacement for a patient. It should be one operation for their life.
Is it the technology developed by you or?
No, the technology are being developed all over the world with different people. Okay, so the many other companies also doing it, but we are utilizing the technology to suit our patients.
A little bit hesitant because, as everywhere they started with like these disastrous fractures and we had just hemiarthroplasty, which was not the best solution, and then they had these patients with not so good function, so everybody was saying, oh, shoulder replacement, you shouldn't do that. But now, since we are very, very successful, we have many, many patients coming and asking for shoulder replacement, even if it's not like now indicated, and you just have to convince them. Now we still have other solutions, but at the moment it's a very successful operation, and the numbers are still growing. And although everybody was talking about the huge amount of revision surgery which will come from the numbers we implanted, so far we didn't see them actually. So I can just confirm, once it's placed properly, it's a really, really long-standing surgery.
You want to say it?
The indication not at the present for a shoulder prosthesis is incredible, because we started with the arthritis, but now we implant shoulder prosthesis in many occasions in patients with fractures, with massive rotator cuff there, and very bad range of motion in patients with tumors. And in Europe, we have a very, very important experience, because you know that the shoulder prosthesis, and in particular the reverse shoulder prosthesis, was permitted in the United States in 2003. And before, the implant was forbidden for the United States. But when they observed our results in terms of function, in terms of daily activity, they increased the implants of this shoulder prosthesis. I would like to have an idea that I formulated this morning, because my dear friend Ram said that technology, said that these instruments that we have now for implanting the prosthesis are increased our knowledge and have increased our experience, but is fundamental the experience of the surgeon. And I think that in your country, the experience of your surgeons is very, very high. And today, this morning, during the first two sessions of this Congress, I experienced this idea, and I was not surprised about your high level of knowledge in this field of surgery. That is a new field of orthopedic surgery.
Thank you.